Bay windows are a beautiful and practical upgrade that many homeowners in Slidell are choosing to enhance both the appearance and functionality of their homes. Known for their elegant outward projection and multi-panel design, bay windows create a unique architectural feature that adds charm, natural light, and additional space to any room. For homeowners looking to improve comfort, increase property value, and enjoy the natural beauty of Louisiana, installing bay windows offers a range of benefits. One of the most noticeable advantages of bay windows is the abundance of natural light they bring into a home. Because bay windows extend outward and include multiple panels, they allow sunlight to enter from several angles throughout the day. This increased light can make rooms feel brighter, larger, and more welcoming. In Slidell, where sunny days are common, bay windows help homeowners enjoy natural illumination while reducing the need for artificial lighting during daylight hours. This can also contribute to lower energy costs over time. Bay windows also provide homeowners with stunning outdoor views. Slidell is known for its beautiful neighborhoods, lush greenery, and proximity to scenic waterways. With a bay window, homeowners can enjoy wider and more panoramic views compared to traditional flat windows. Whether overlooking a garden, backyard, or quiet street, bay windows create a comfortable spot to relax while appreciating the surroundings. Another benefit is the additional space bay windows create inside the home. The outward extension forms a small nook that can be used in many ways depending on the homeowner's needs. Many families in Slidell transform this space into a cozy reading corner, a window seat, or a small decorative display area. In kitchens, bay windows can create the perfect breakfast nook where families gather in the morning. This extra space not only enhances comfort but also adds character and functionality to the room. Bay windows can also increase a home's overall value and curb appeal. Their distinctive shape adds architectural interest to both the interior and exterior of a house. Homes with attractive features like bay windows often stand out in the neighborhood and make a strong impression on potential buyers. For Slidell homeowners considering future resale, bay windows can be an appealing selling point that helps a property feel more upscale and inviting. Improved ventilation is another practical advantage. Bay windows often include operable side panels that can be opened to allow fresh air to circulate through the room. In Slidell's warm climate, having better airflow can help keep indoor spaces comfortable and reduce reliance on air conditioning during milder weather. Proper ventilation also contributes to a healthier indoor environment by allowing stale air to escape and fresh air to enter. Energy efficiency is an additional benefit when modern bay windows are installed with high-quality materials. Today's bay windows are designed with advanced glass options, insulated frames, and weather-tight seals that help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This means homeowners can enjoy the beauty of large windows without sacrificing energy performance. In a climate like Slidell's, where summers can be hot and humid, energy-efficient windows play an important role in keeping cooling costs under control. Bay windows also allow homeowners to personalize their space. They can be styled with cushions, decorative pillows, indoor plants, or custom seating to create a focal point in the room. Because bay windows naturally draw attention, they offer an opportunity to showcase personal design choices and create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Ultimately, installing bay windows in a Slidell home offers a combination of beauty, comfort, and practicality. From increased natural light and improved ventilation to expanded interior space and enhanced curb appeal, bay windows provide lasting value. For homeowners seeking a stylish way to upgrade their living space while enjoying the charm of the surrounding environment, bay windows are an excellent investment that can transform both the look and feel of a home.